So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be the official reinstallment of it. I want to create additional videos for math. In the past, I created videos, but I want to start creating more content. I want to not only add new math videos, I want to add computer science videos as well. So, in the area of math, I want to basically, let's do that again. So in the area of math, I want to do calculus, which is just integral, differential, and multivariable calculus. I want to do probability, which is the basic theory of probability and also stochastic processes. I want to do differential equations, so both ODE and PDE, ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. I want to do numerical analysis. I want to do dynamical systems. I want to do complex variables. And I also want to do other numerics, but I'll go to another page for that. So really my specialty in math is partial differential equations and numerical partial differential equations. But a lot of videos that I want to make are with regards to numerical linear algebra, so numerical linear algebra, which is basically solving ax equals b numerically. I also want to do numerical PDE, so finding numerical solutions to partial differential equations. And for this, I would break it up into finite differencing, spectral methods, finite volume, finite element, level set, boundary element. I'll probably do more as well, but these probably finite differencing, spectral methods, and finite element are really the most powerful tools. These others like this, these are for solving specific classes of problems. So with something like this, we could talk about conservation laws and whatnot. But so I think also, let's see, I probably also do videos about integral equations and also variational calculus, because those are very important. So I think overall on my channel, this guy and this guy I'd make videos about, but there's a lot of content on YouTube for that. I'm more interested in making content that isn't very prevalent on YouTube. So really, these guys, I also want to include linear algebra, of course. I include numerical linear algebra, but to understand that, you have to understand linear algebra. And also all of this content also, because even though the videos do exist, they're not very prevalent on YouTube, which isn't a big problem, but I think that it would be helpful to a lot of people if they could find this content on YouTube. So in addition to math, I also want to do computer science. So probably going to mostly do programming. I could do a lot of cool things here. I think I think I'd like to talk about C and Fortran because, again, a lot of the content I'm making because I can't find it anywhere else on YouTube. So I think that, uh, so maybe I'll change that. It's on YouTube, but uh, a lot of these subjects, especially this sort of stuff, you'll find, but some very smart professor is talking about it, and maybe if you hear about it in more simpler terms, you could appreciate it to then understand it at their level. But I really want to talk C and Fortran probably in the perspective of solving math problems. So, in addition, I think I really want to do these because they're fun. So, fun languages, Python, which it's a fun language and it's also extremely powerful. So I want to do Haskell if you're functional programming, because Haskell is a very cool language if you're into functional programming. Um, I'll probably do MATLAB as well. So pretty much I'm gonna say that this is coming towards the end of the video. I just also wanted to include, in addition to saying what I want to include on this video, and of course this isn't a exhaustive list, there will be more, but I sort of want to say what I'm thinking right now. So in the past, when I made previous videos, a lot of people were very positive towards them and, sort of said, I want to do some sort of form of donation, and very nice people, donated a few dollars or whatnot. So I really want to create a method that if people want to support the creation of this content, they can. But regardless, if people support me or not, I'll create this video. If I have 0 supporters or hundreds of supporters, it's arbitrary to me. So I think it's just very important to create this stuff because pretty much there is a lot of math content on YouTube, but when you start going up the ladder in terms of more advanced categories, it's harder to find good videos for them. So that's sort of why I want to create this content. So I'll include the link at the bottom, but I basically have a account on this guy. So on this place, and I'll include a link in the comments. But again, if you want to donate $1, that's perfectly okay. If you don't and just want to enjoy the math content, get popcorn and stay for the ride. So I'll leave this video here right now, but I'll start adding videos very soon and start looking out for them.